Yo, hey, what's up, guys? I wanted to shoot a supplement video here for a video we shot a couple weeks ago on how to install Lexan lenses. I never showed what the end result looks like after everything is in place here, but this is it. Essentially, the Lexan lenses are in. I use 3/4 inch sockets here, and they're pretty good weight. Let's see, I have it balanced, and as far as time, I leave it on here for about an hour, and then I test. And the reason I test is to make sure that the epoxy is actually good. So I've purchased epoxy in the past that hasn't worked and is actually gone bad in the package there. So, and my way of figuring that out is right here. This is that little trick that I showed you in that last video. So I use the applicator stick here, and I put it in the epoxy itself, and I just basically just smush it in, and that's it. Now, I've shot this video like 3 times already, so I've pulled this thing out a couple times. But if you're using a wooden, like a toothpick or something, it'll break off in this, and you'll be able to, you'll know immediately this is dry. So that's it. So you can tell how dry this is by how it's looking here. But if it's not dry, just let it stay on. I know it's supposed to be 5-minute epoxy, but sometimes that 5-minute epoxy will take 24 hours. So that's all. So let it really dry, let it set in, don't be in a hurry, and I think you'll be happy with the results here. All right, once again, thanks for the support, guys, and always thanks for watching. Take care.